Let me shake it one time for y'all so you know it's real, baby. What lace? Huh? Velcro. Hey y'all, it's TIALATRICE. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this headband wig that I received from Fashion Villa here on Amazon, and I am in love with this wig. I have worn this wig probably like 10 times before I made this video because I had to make sure I was gonna give y'all a good review. I had to make sure I washed it and watched the shedding and all that good stuff before I came on here and did a review. But I love this wig. I love this wig. Like, this is so easy, it's so convenient, and it's so soft and manageable. So if you want to see more details about this wig, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, don't come for my braids either. I know I'm looking like Cleo, leave me alone. The hair that was sent to me by Fashion Villa store on Amazon, shout out to them for sending your girl a free wig, okay? And I actually like it. So this is the hair that was sent to me, okay? Y'all, look at this wig. Look at these curls, waves, whatever you want to call them. This hair is so pretty. Sorry if y'all hear my daughter in the background. I think she's waking up. But this is a headband wig. This is a 16-inch wig. Oh, this is a 150 density. It's also Brazilian hair. This is their deep wave Brazilian hair. And I actually really like it. It's really soft. I brushed it out, I washed it. It had a little bit of shedding, but not too much. And yeah, and it's really thick actually. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for y'all so y'all can see how it looks. And you just secure the wig by this Velcro in the back. And it does have 4 clips in the inside of it. It has 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. I think the thing I like about it the most is it's very convenient, and it doesn't have a lace, so it's just easier to put on. You don't have to worry about gluing nothing down. You can just secure it in the back and go on about your business, okay? And that's just how it is. And it looks like your natural hair. If you keep your edges out like this, it just looks like you have a headband on, and they won't be able to tell if it's yours or not. Come on, say my name. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so this is how the wig looks on me. Like I said, I like the fact that it doesn't have a lace. It's very soft, very convenient. This is a mommy wig. If you a mama and you know we have our bad hair days when we don't feel like doing nothing to our hair, this is perfect. Or if you just on the go, you know, you don't even have to be a mama. If you just on the go and you don't feel like doing anything to your hair, this is perfect. This is the only one that I've seen that they had in stock. I think they're getting like the longer wigs in later in November, but I'm definitely going to buy a longer wig when they get it in stock if they don't send it to me. I don't know if they're gonna send me another wig, but I want the longer one like this. The 16 inch is okay, but I prefer something a little bit longer, and it is like winter time, or it's about to be winter time. I just want some length. This is like a summer springtime wig for me, but it don't matter. I'm gonna wear it now anyways. This is almost close to my natural hair texture. This is the bag that the wig came in. It's so cute, so cute. And they also sent me 2 additional headbands to go with this wig. I'm gonna put one on for y'all so y'all can see how it looks. Queen bee. And I guess you just, oh sis, okay. has like little feathers on it. That's cute. Okay, they did something. I don't really like the colors because I don't really wear these colors, but I mean it's free, so who cares. So that's how you wear the headbands that they sent with it. Or if you have your own headbands, just make sure you get the thicker ones to cover up the actual black band. But you can't really see it anyways, but you know, yeah. Also, y'all, one thing I do love about this wig, if you want to, you could put all of this up in a ponytail. Because like I said, it is just a headband in the back. So you definitely could put this up in a ponytail if you wanted to. Or you can just do it like half up, half down. I personally haven't worn it like that, but I don't see why you couldn't wear it like that. You know, that's cute. I might wear it like this. But yeah, you definitely could do half up, half down, or ponytail. This is so cute. I love this wig. I love it. I can't wait till they get more in stock. Okay. And I'm gonna link all their information in the description box below so you guys can check them out if you want to. I would personally, because this wig is very convenient and it's soft, manageable. You can just spray it down with some water and brush it out and you can go about your day. And when they sent this wig to me, y'all, they were so sweet. They were so nice. Like, I don't even know if they were just nice to me because they wanted me to review their wig, but they seemed like really nice people. I like Asians anyway, so they're cool and they make some good food. But yeah, that's it really. I really like this wig. If they don't send me a longer one when they get them in stock, I definitely will be purchasing my own because I really like this wig, and it's very convenient, especially because I just had a newborn. So I throw this wig on a lot, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I have worn this wig before I made this video, so that should let y'all know that I'm not just saying that it's good hair because I'm trying to get them good reviews or get them, you know, get people to buy this wig. This really is a good wig. I love it. But that's it. That is all for this video. I can't believe I did 2 videos in one day with a newborn baby. That's crazy. I put her down to sleep and I was like trying to rush and do everything, but it's hard out here, y'all. Okay, I want y'all to stay safe, stay blessed up. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to check out this wig, y'all. Okay, I'll see y'all. Peace. Bye.